I like how we vibe it. 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 I like how we vibe it.
This video is sponsored by our channel sponsor, which is 015. You can find them on 015.co.za for some premium web hosting from as little as 45 Rand 90 cents. I mean, 45.90. Think about it. That's not a lot. And you will get some premium domains. And I personally would advise you on getting maybe the Supreme or the Executive packs, because it comes with a lot of benefits and a lot more storage. And you can host multiple websites on one package, you know. And this is, since we are talking businesses and growing your businesses, you can actually get your business registered by them, and there's some benefits, you know. You can get a name reservation, company registration, a certificate, income tax number, and you can even get a free.co.za domain if you pick one of the higher packages, or you can get a free QuickBooks subscription for 3 months. For 3 months. Yo, that's nice. You know, that's really, really nice. And if you want a website, they can actually develop a website for you at a very affordable rate of starting from 2,100, excluding VAT, I think. But it's not a lot. Think about it. 2,100. You spend a lot more on other things. But yeah, and once again, executive plans and supreme plans, you literally get free domains. For the first year, they are literally out here trying to win you guys over. Anyway, let's continue with the video. So yeah, the first thing we're gonna do is create a customer. Okay, so in this module, we'll be creating customers. So in order for us to actually create our first customer, we go to customers, list of customers. Well, we don't have any list, you know. So yeah, let's add a customer before I go through all these other options. So customer name, I'm going to add 3 different customers. So the first customer I'm going to add is, let's say 15K Entertainment. Category, I'm going to create a new category. So category is self-explanatory. For example, let's say, for me, let's say, because I do beats, and then I do mix and mastering services, and then I also do tech services, and let's say I do consulting services. So 15K Entertainment will fall. I'm going to create a category called entertainment, or should I say, yeah, I'm going to say entertainment. So that's for no, I'm going to create a description. I'm going to say music. So it's music related. So save. Why is it not saving? Okay, so there we go. If you receive cash from this customer, then you'll say cash sale, but EFT is the way, personally. So here I'm going to say company balance as at, I prefer using 2 periods back, 2 financial periods back. It's just the way I've done things, and I prefer doing it like that. So I'm going to say 2018, February or March the 1st. Yeah, I'm going to say March 1st. It's the start of that financial period. They accept electronic invoices, sales rep. If you've got different people working under you, and their job is to actually procure customers, then you would put them in here. But for me, I don't have, so I'm not going to do that. Credit limit. It's a good thing to have. It's a good idea to have credit limit. That way you know how much, basically having credit limit allows you to actually limit the amount of risk you actually carry with each customer. So in this case, the credit limit, I'm going to leave it at 30,000. So 30,000 Rand. Customer VAT number, once again, random VAT number. I need to put in a random VAT number just so that when we capture invoices, you see what it looks like. So I'm going to do a random VAT number, and then This information, I'm not going to populate it, but if you have it, please do populate it. So I'm going to say that. I'm going to leave it. The rest of this information is not really that important, but additional context, it's actually the only really important one that I would advise you to have, so that, let's say, you've got more than one contact person at that specific customer, so putting them here, it's easy, and it's anybody can access it within your business, and it also allows for continuation. So let's say you're not there, somebody else can actually see this information from your company without you being bothered. Sales graph, these information, a lot of these won't be available to you because you haven't started, or you haven't filled in the details here. So we'll just do additional contacts. You would put that in, but I'm not going to. Invoices and all those things, we haven't started. Once we start, we'll have access to a lot of these information. So yeah, let's click on report layouts. Okay, that's self-explanatory. I wouldn't mess with this, leave it as it is. So once that's done, scroll to the bottom. I'm gonna save I'm gonna create another customer, because like I said, I've got 3 different services that I would like to. Actually, I'm going to leave it at 2 for now. I'm going to leave it at music and text. So I'm going to say save a new. Oh, yeah. So I'm forced to put in that email. So I'm going to say okay. And then email, I'm going to say info@xvk.com. Telephone, I'm not going to put it in. Website, I'm going to as well put it in. It's www.xvkent.com. And if you don't want to put in the email address here, you can say none or print, but we are here. So I'm going to say save a new. So I'm going to add another customer. So this time around, I'm going to add, let's say, MPC online. Let's say MPC online for the sake of this tutorial. Customer, I'm going to add new. In the description, remember I've already added music, so I'm going to add text and consulting. Consultancy or consulting. I'm going to go with consulting. Opening balance 0. Once again, financial year, 2 financial years back. So yeah. Okay, 1st of March. That's that. Our sales rep, we don't have. VAT number. Yeah, why not? Because I am doing tax, so it would be quite nice to show you an example with them as a tax customer. So once again, random VAT number. Email, info@mpconline.co.za. Website, www.mpconline.co.za. And we scroll to the bottom, save. So we've created our first 2 customers, right? Yes.